Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Taking a look at washing some walk-ups, very reachable stuff, just efficient, no detailing edges. These don't even have side frames, just pure, just an efficient process. Don't need to waste time. Won't even touch my sills till the end. Squeegee applicator always out. Simple process. Outside, don't matter where you drip. Wipe the sills as I come back. It's all about just breaking down a simple process. Don't do the extra stuff that's not needed. Commercial, residential, they all vary on what's needed, what's not needed. Find an efficient system and go with it. It's Todd here at Window Warriors Forum.